Meaning of electric blanket.
Electric blanket.
Electric blanket.
Electric blanket.
Electric blanket. An electric blanket is a type of blanket that contains electrical heating wires. It is used to provide warmth and comfort during cold winter nights or in environments with low temperatures. The blanket can be adjusted to different levels of heat and is powered by electricity. Electric blankets are available in various sizes and styles, and some models have advanced features such as dual controls for different heat settings on each side of the bed. However, caution should be exercised when using electric blankets due to potential safety hazards associated with their use.